Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are having a look at the Samsung DeX. Samsung DeX is a Samsung feature which allows you to have a desktop interface from your Samsung device. So now let us talk about our Samsung DeX requirements. All we need is a Samsung device, S8 or higher, and we also need USB-C hub which has HDMI ports, a USB port and a power supply. Then you need a keyboard and mouse which is completely optional because we can use our Samsung device itself as a keypad. But to have the complete desktop feeling, you need to have a keyboard and mouse. Then you need an HDMI cable and a USB-C charging cable. So once you have all the things required, here's what you need to do next. Take your USB-C hub and plug it on into your charging port of your Samsung device. In this case, I am using a Tab, but you can use any of Samsung device S8 or higher. Once you plug in your USB-C hub, you need to take your micro USB receiver for your keyboard and mouse and plug it on to the USB port. Then take the HDMI wire and plug it on again, and at the last you need to take the USB-C charging cable and plug it. If you don't have a keyboard and mouse with a single USB receiver like me, you need not worry. All you have to do is get yourself a multi-USB adapter and you are good to go. When you switch on your monitor, this will be the screen you will get to see. So now your Samsung DeX setup is completed. Here you can see your notifications, and here you can see your installed apps. I'll just open YouTube, and here it is. We can use it in multi-window view also. We can resize our apps like this, and it works pretty fine with YouTube and some apps, but some apps do not resize as they are not compatible with the Samsung DeX. You also can play a game known as Bomb Squad with your keyboard and mouse, and it works pretty well and you will feel that you are playing the game on desktop. Here is a short clip of me playing the Bomb Squad.
Invincible.
So now let us have a look at the compatible DeX apps. To have a look at the Samsung DeX compatible apps, go to the app section and at the top click on checkout apps for Samsung DeX. Then you will be redirected to a new web page with all the apps compatible with Samsung DeX, including Microsoft PowerPoint, MS Outlook, Chrome, YouTube, Google Play Music, and many more such as Zoom, Spotify, and some games like Gardenscapes and Bomb Squad. The overall performance of the Samsung DeX is very good. Even if you open many apps in the multi-window view, the Samsung DeX runs pretty nicely and it is quite powerful. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.